Hello kids, welcome back to your favorite channel Kido Color Club. Today we are going to color a beautiful night sky with shining stars, green hills, and finally, we will color the bright moon. Let's have fun together while we learn the names of colors. Let's start with the stars. We'll use bright yellow and golden colors to make them sparkle. Stars twinkle in the night sky just like tiny diamonds. Now, look at the small dots around the sky. We'll color them white and light blue. These little dots make the night sky even more magical. Next, let's color the hills at the bottom. We'll use red or teal green shades. It will look like the hills are glowing under the moonlight. Now it's time to color the big night sky. Let's use bright yellow. This will make our picture look just like a real night. And now comes the most beautiful part, the moon. Let's color it light yellow or golden. The moon shines in the night and becomes our friend in the dark. Remember kids, without the moon, the night would be very dark. Look kids, our night sky is now complete and so colorful. Twinkling stars, glowing hills, a dark sky, and the bright shining moon have made the picture magical. Today we learned stars twinkle in the sky. Hills make nature beautiful. The night sky is full of wonder, and the moon gives us light. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to your favorite channel Kido Color Club.